Students, today we will do mirror formula and problems related to that. Yeah, it's a derivation, but for your class 10th, no need of derivation. Only the equation we need to study. Only the final equation we need to study. That is this equation. 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. This is a mirror formula or mirror equation. It's a derivation. No need to study the derivation. We will not derive it. Only the final equation we need to study. So, 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. Now, when I discuss Cartesian sign convention, I already told what is v, u and f. F you know, focal length. V, image distance, means distance from the mirror to the image. From the mirror to the image. That is image distance. U, object distance, means distance from the mirror to the object. From the mirror to the object. That is U. So, in this diagram, U, F, V and V is given. This one is concave and this one is convex. Now, this is the object. Height of the object is represented by the letter H, that is positive. Height of the object is positive. This distance is the object distance, means distance from the pole to the object. That is U, that is always negative. Always negative. Now, this distance from the pole to the image, that is image distance, that will be positive and negative depending upon the type of the image. If it is real image, then this distance will be negative. If it is virtual image, then this distance will be positive. Okay. So, image distance can be positive and negative depending upon the type of the image. Okay. Now, height of the image, it's represented by the letter H dash. H dash. Now, mirror formula 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. Now, magnification is there. Magnification means m, it's a ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. That is hi, height of the image is h dash or hi. Height of the object is h or ho, object o. In that way also we will represent it. Actually, there is no unit for magnification. There is no unit for magnification because it's a ratio of similar physical quantity. It's a number. You will get a number. Doesn't have any unit. Okay. One more equation is there to find magnification. M is equal to minus V by U. One more equation is there to find magnification. M equal to minus V by U. Okay. Now, in your textbook, page number 169, we need to underline equation, mirror equation or mirror formula 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to 1 by f or 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by F. If you interchange it U and V in mirror, no problem. Okay. But it's better to study 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Now, height of the image H dash by height of the object H, that is equal to M. Magnification. There you can write it like this, HI by HO. I will write it in the, when we will do the problems, I will write it that. That also you will mark. Then towards the end that paragraph, height of the object is taken to be positive as the object is usually placed above the principal axis. The height of the virtual image should be taken as positive for virtual images. However, it is taken as negative for real images. A negative sign in the value of magnification indicates that the image is real. A positive sign in the value of magnification indicates that the image is virtual. If the magnification is having a positive sign, means it is virtual. In magnification, if it is written as with negative sign, means that's a real image. Okay. So, we will do the problems related to this mirror formula. Yeah, object distance, image distance and focal length. Any of the two things will be given and you need to calculate the other. Okay. Normally, we need to calculate the image distance, position of the image, size and nature of the image. Okay. So, first question. This is the first question. A convex mirror. A convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror in an automobile, has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. Has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. So, we will write R equal to 3 meter. First, we will write what all things are given in the question and what is to be calculated. Now, if a bus is located 5 meter from this mirror, find the position and nature and size of the image. If a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, find the position and nature and size of the image. Now, I will draw it. Convex mirror. Now, a bus is located here 5 meter. The radius of curvature is 3 meter. The radius of curvature is 3 meter. Now, convex mirror always forms virtual, erect and diminished image. Always forms virtual, erect and diminished image. Okay. Now, R is given as 3 meter, U is given as 5 meter. Object is placed on the left side of the mirror. So, when you measure distance from this is a distance U, opposite to the direction of incident light ray. Okay. So, that is always negative. U is always negative. Whether it is convex mirror or concave mirror, always without any rethinking, you can write it like this, U is negative. Okay. In all questions, U is always negative. Okay. Now, we need to find V. That's a question. Now, What's the relation between radius of curvature and focal length? Radius of curvature and focal length. That we know. R equal to 2f. R equal to 2f. So, f equal to r by 2. F equal to r by 2. That is 3 by 2 meter. 3 by 2 meter. Now, we need to assign the sign, whether the focal length is positive or negative. Convex. Principal focus will be here. So, this distance is a focal length. That is from the pole towards the right side. From the pole towards the right side. So, it's positive. From the pole towards the right side. So, that is positive. So, we will write the equation 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So, 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. 1 by V plus 1 by U. Keep this 1 by U here itself and take this 1 by U to this side. So, we will write it like this. 1 by F minus 1 by U equal to 1 by V. 1 by V, you keep it here itself. No need to move it to the other side of the equation. 1 by U, you just move to this side. Okay. So, 1 by F minus 1 by U equal to 1 by V. Now, you substitute in this equation. 1 by F how much and 1 by U how much? 1 by F you got it as 1 by 3 by 2 minus 1 by minus 5 because U is negative. U is negative. So, minus sign for U. That is equal to 1 by V. That is equal to 1 by V. Now, you can calculate this one. Take the reciprocal of this one. 2 by 3 minus into minus plus 1 by 5 equal to 1 by V. That is equal to 1 by V. Now, find the LCM. What will be the LCM of this one? Find the LCM. 15. How many times 3 will go in 15? 5. So, 10 plus 3. So, you will get the answer as 13 by 15. That is equal to 1 by V. 13 by 15 equal to 1 by V. Now, we need to find V. Actually, we got it as 1 by V. Take the reciprocal. Take the reciprocal. So, V equal to 15 by 13 centimeter is given in meters. So, 15 by 13 meter. That is the image distance. Okay. 15 by 13 meter. That is the image distance. So, what's the question? You need to find the position. Position you got it as this much. 15 by 13 meter. Now, V at a positive side means it's a virtual image. V positive sign means it's a virtual image. Now, size of the image you need to find out. Size of the image means magnification. That is M equal to minus V by U or H dash by H or HI by HO. HI by HO. Normally I will use this one. Instead of this H dash by H, I am going to use this one HI by HO equal to minus V by U. Now you substitute here. Minus 15 by 13 divided by minus U is always negative, and what's the U value? What is the U value? 5. Okay, U value is 5. U is always negative. Now this negative and negative will get cancelled. Okay, that negative and negative will get cancelled. Then when you do this one, you will get the magnification. That is size of the object. Okay. So 15 by 13 divided by 5 by 1, that is equal to 15 by 13 into 1 by 5. 3 by 13. The answer is 3 by 13. If you find it in the decimal form, you will get the answer as 0.23. 0.23. In decimal forms, you will get it as 0.23. Okay. So, in this way, we will do the problems related to mirror equation. So, first you will read the question, then you will just draw a rough diagram whether it is concave or convex mirror. Then you will write what all things are given in the question. Then you will write the equation. Then you will substitute in the equation, find the value. In all cases, you need to take the reciprocal of that quantity, because if it is asked to find the focal length, you will get it as 1 by f. If you are asked to find the object distance, you will get the answer as 1 by u. Image distance 1 by v. So, here you will get it 1 by v. Then you have to take the reciprocal of that one. Then you will get v and do the calculation. Okay.